So guys, in this lecture video, I will show you how to set up Cisco Modeling Labs. So you have to visit the URL devnetsandbox.cisco.com. So it will ask you for the login. You can use any of these methods to log in. I will use Google. Alright, so you select your email ID, continue, and you will get this form. So you just fill up the details and click register. So you will get this screen. Now we have to set up Cisco Modeling Labs. So in the search bar, you can type model and you will get this Cisco Modeling Labs here. Just click on the launch. And as I said that you have to do the reservation first before using the lab. And the maximum duration of the time that you can do reservation is of 4 hours. So I'm selecting here for 2 hours, but you can maximum select 4 hours as of now. And then click launch environment. So you can see it's pretty much easy. Now Cisco Modeling Labs is being deployed for you. The environment is being prepared for you. And it will take some 18 minutes time to complete. Once these 18 minutes are over, you will get an email in your inbox which will contain details regarding username and password and how to connect to this lab. Now meanwhile, we have to install one software called AnyConnect Cisco Secure Client. This software will be used to connect to the lab from your PC. So AnyConnect Cisco Secure Client. It is available for both Mac OS as well as for Windows. So Windows users can download Cisco AnyConnect Secure Client from this Softonic website, whereas Mac users can install the same software from their App Store. It is freely available there. So this is the software that I have already installed. Now once you install the software, you just open it. And you will get interface such as this. Alright. So now at this point of time, you have successfully installed the secure client software. Now we have to wait till our lab is deployed. Once our lab is deployed, we will get an email. In that email, we will have credentials which we need to feed into this secure client to connect to the lab. So let's wait for the lab to finish. So guys, once the timer is over, you will get onto this screen automatically. So your lab environment has been deployed successfully. Now let's open the email. So here you will get the email saying your Cisco DevNet Sandbox lab is ready. And here you will get the credentials. So you can see that this is the address that you need to connect with your secure client, AnyConnect Secure Client, which you have just downloaded. This is your username and this is the password. So let's copy this. Open your AnyConnect Secure Client. Now since I had already used this secure client before, therefore I have an old address here. So I will remove this address and add a new one. Alright, save it and connect it. So it will ask for the username and password which we have received in this email. And connect. So this says that the status is connected, you can see here. And now we will go to back to the lab. So you can see that the matching IP address is here. So what you need to do is that you simply copy this address and paste it in a browser, and it will take you to the actual lab. Now here the password is developer. Now here the username is developer and the password is this password. Okay, so don't put the password which you received in the email. it is this password which you need to feed in here. And click on the login, and here you go to your lab. So as soon as you get this portal, you will get a default topology which they give you. It is a ready-made topology. If you want, you can use it. Otherwise, in order to create a new topology, you click on add here. And you can see that this canvas is launched where you can create your topologies. Alright, so on the right hand side you can see a panel from which you can drag and drop the devices and build your topology. Alright, so for example, let me connect two machines. Let's say I use CSR V1000. This is a Cisco router, and I will take two instances of these Cisco routers and let me connect it. So I will right click on it and choose add link option and connect them like this. These are the name of the interfaces that I am connecting. Gig Ethernet 1 interface of left router with the Gig Ethernet 1 interface of the right router. So create link, and this will be connected using link. Alright, so you can see that things are pretty much simple and straightforward. And note that you can use this lab for 4 hours. Once 4 hours has been elapsed, your lab will close and you have to reserve it again to reuse it. You can rename your lab here. So I'm putting a name to the lab which say trial. You can go to the dashboard and you can see that I have a trial lab here. The lab is off because I did not start any devices in the lab. So if you go back to the lab, you can right click on the device and start it. Similarly, you can right click on this device and start. So you can see that both the devices are started. The green color on these devices represent that your devices are actually booting up. So in the next lecture video, I will show you how you can configure these devices and get started doing work with these devices. For now, I will simply close these devices. So right click on the device and click stop. Right click on this device and I will click stop, and now my lab is closed. Go to the dashboard. You can see that my lab is off now. So you can see that things are pretty much simple and straightforward. You can simply visit the URL devnetsandbox.cisco.com and enter your username and password, and you just start using the lab straight away. When next time you will log in, you will get this lab as it is. That is the way you left this lab the last time. You will get this lab from the same point. Now in the next lecture video, I will show you that how you can build the topologies. I will show you how one device can ping to other device. I will show you how you can log in into the console of these devices and do the configuration. And I will show you how you can capture the packets and do the analysis using Wireshark.